Our sun, a blazing ball of plasma, dominates our sky. It's the anchor of our solar system, holding everything together. Without the sun, life on Earth wouldn't exist. It provides the light and warmth that plants need for photosynthesis, the process that creates the oxygen we breathe. The sun is the ultimate source of energy for almost everything on Earth. Every gust of wind, every crashing wave, and every fossil fuel deposit can trace its origins back to the sun's energy. Its gravity keeps our planet in orbit, defining the rhythm of our days and seasons. But like all stars, our sun has a life cycle. It's not going to shine forever. Understanding this cycle and its implications is crucial for understanding our place in the universe and the long-term fate of our planet. Join me as we delve into the life and eventual death of our star, the mighty sun. The sun, right now, is enjoying a stable middle age. It's about 4.6 billion years old, roughly halfway through its lifespan as a main sequence star. During this phase, the sun fuses hydrogen into helium in its core, a process that releases an immense amount of energy. This energy, in the form of light and heat, radiates outward from the sun's core. It travels through space, eventually reaching Earth and sustaining all life on our planet. The sun's current stability is a delicate balance between gravity, which tries to compress it, and the outward pressure from nuclear fusion. This balance won't last forever. As the sun continues to burn hydrogen in its core, it gradually becomes hotter and brighter. Eventually, the hydrogen in the sun's core will start to run out, marking the beginning of a new and dramatic chapter in the sun's life story. In about 5 billion years, the sun will exhaust most of the hydrogen in its core. As this happens, the outward pressure from nuclear fusion will decrease, allowing gravity to start winning the battle. The core will contract and heat up, causing the sun's outer layers to expand dramatically. The sun will transform into a red giant, a star that's cooler but much larger than its current form. It will swell to an enormous size, engulfing the orbits of Mercury and Venus. Earth's fate during this phase is uncertain. Some models suggest Earth might be swallowed whole by the expanding sun. Others propose that Earth might be pushed outward into a wider orbit as the sun loses mass. Even if Earth escapes direct engulfment, the intense heat from the red giant sun will boil away our oceans and scorch the surface, rendering the planet uninhabitable. A cosmic ember, the white dwarf fate of our sun. After its red giant phase, the sun will go through several phases of contraction and expansion. It will shed its outer layers into space, creating a beautiful planetary nebula, a glowing shell of gas and dust. At the center of this nebula, the sun's core will remain. This core will be incredibly dense and hot, a white dwarf star about the size of Earth but containing about half the mass of the sun. A white dwarf is the final stage of evolution for a star like our sun. It no longer undergoes nuclear fusion but instead slowly radiates away its remaining heat over billions of years. The white dwarf that was once our sun will gradually cool and fade, eventually becoming a black dwarf, a cold and inert stellar remnant. The once mighty sun will have reached the end of its life cycle. Earth's fate. A look into our planet's distant future. The future of Earth during the sun's red giant phase is uncertain, but it's clear that our planet will experience dramatic changes. If Earth is not engulfed by the expanding sun, it will still be subjected to intense heat and radiation. The oceans will boil away, the atmosphere will be stripped away, and the surface will be scorched. Life as we know it will be impossible. However, there is a possibility that some form of life could survive in more shielded environments, such as deep underground or in icy moons in the outer solar system. As the sun transitions into a white dwarf, the solar system will become a much colder and darker place. The planets will continue to orbit the white dwarf, but the once vibrant solar system will be a shadow of its former self. While the sun's death will mark the end of an era for Earth, it also presents an opportunity for new beginnings elsewhere in the universe. Perhaps life on other planets, orbiting different stars, will witness the beauty of our sun's death throes as it illuminates the cosmos with its final breaths. Join the cosmic journey. Explore more with Universe Demystified. The sun's life cycle is a captivating story of cosmic evolution, one that reminds us of the vastness of the universe and the fleeting nature of time. If you're fascinated by the mysteries of space and want to delve deeper into the wonders of the cosmos, subscribe to Universe Demystified. We'll explore black holes, distant galaxies, the search for extraterrestrial life, and much more. Join us on a journey of cosmic discovery and expand your understanding of the universe we call home.